So this year there have been a lot of changes and a lot of new challenges that we've experienced. I think some of the key challenges and trends that we've experienced have been in the area of telehealth. That's a part of health that has always been emerging and always been a priority area, but the event of the COVID pandemic has meant that we transitioned out of face-to-face care and into telehealth where possible and clinically safe very quickly. And that's been sustained over a period of time, which is really good to see because there's a great benefit to patients and the community more broadly if they don't need to travel to hospitals and don't need to take the time out that you might need to in order to access care from some specialists. So that's been a key trend. Additionally, I guess the overall amount of data that we're sharing across government and how we're working collegiately and collaboratively to solve really tricky problems has been really fantastic and quite inspiring. It's part of the role that I've enjoyed the most. I don't know what it's like to be in this job without being in the middle of a pandemic, as I took it on just a few months before COVID hit. So I'm interested to see how much that we maintain that connectedness across government as the COVID pandemic leaves us behind, but those relationships remain. I think it's really important that leaders outside the data space are very data literate and understand the power of data. Evidence-based practice and evidence-based decision making is critical to the way we lead both now and into the future. New South Wales Health is very data-led in many ways and very evidence-based because the delivery of medicine has always been evidence-based. So we've got a lot of clinicians and a lot of managers and a lot of leaders that are already very data literate and we recognise the importance of building on that over time. My experience at the event so far has been fantastic. It's great to see so many people face to face that I've seen over Zoom or Teams or Skype over the last 2 years. There are a few colleagues that I've met only once before face to face but have spent an inordinate amount of time with over the last 2 years, and it's wonderful to be able to finally see them face to face.